PA. PDW. Underway. 7-pin for Pete. Ouch. Yeah.
How do you want to start?
Petey saw what Walter Ray did in the first match, and Petey's just with
Missed
the
it,
7-pin.
guys. How about that? And open. Pete Weber.
Shows more.
It just shows you how slick the lanes are down lane.
Way to go.
In his 19th open frame this week.
Overall. He was about to turn around. Pete looks for a third straight strike. And we'll have it.
Don't you do it again.
As the 7 falls late, and he's found his rhythm after a disastrous start.
They gave me one back there.
Oh, I don't know, Petey.
Bad
That
shot.
shouldn't even have been in question. Well, bad shot. He got it in, but apparently he's throwing the right ball and playing the lanes properly.